Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, my name is Morena, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and subscribing and liking and commenting. Guys, you are so amazing. For those who have not subscribed, please subscribe. So okay, it's a great morning, and today is on Saturday. I want to show you what I do mostly on Saturdays. Sabu, let me show you what I do need to go here. So let's start this video. This is my everyday routine, sleeping the opposite side of the bed because of watching the television. Mi jipatanisha zima nikuwa the opposite side and vivu, so you understand. Something else, joto so inabidi umejifunika chenye uko nacho hapo karibu. So after waking up, I pray. That's the first thing I do after waking up. Lazima tuabudu Mungu wetu. Then afterwards, I turn on the TV. Then I start watching what I usually watch. Mostly napenda Steve Harvey shows, sababu inani pia kiasi asubuhi. Yeah.
Well, folks, my next guest is an amazing gymnast. At 11 years old, she's won numerous competitions and was recently named Female Athlete of the Year in her region.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
Wapi? Oh, lakini sasa utu oh, kadogo. Hebu angalia ingine, hata wenyewe ni ndogo, nikaa watu walibai zikaisha. Guys, I'm back from my sister's place. Walinipata kwa nyumba, tukaenda kwake. And also we went to Think Twice. And hiyo ilikuwa kitu saa 8. And I bought some things. Okay, si eti ni vitu mengi. I told you today is on 26th mwezi wa 3 2022. There was an offer and it went for 150 bob. So leo pia nimeangukia. Let me show you what I've bought. Kwanza, because today I'm not cooking, I've decided to do milk. I've bought milk ya ATM. And sai kwanza ni saa ngapi? What time is it? Ni saa 3, imagine, na ndo naingia kwa nyumba kai akimosheni. Anyway, let me show you what I've bought. So it's only 2 things. There is this. Okay, this is a bed sheet. I guess a 5x6 bed sheet. Iko imenibamba. It's a grey one. It's a grey and iko na stars. So this can match my house nikitaka kubadilisha beddings. So there's this bed sheet, you've seen it, and this is a duvet cover, so I can match a bed sheet and a duvet cover. Was I thinking? Yes, I was. Hey, this is a duvet cover. Iko na zip. This is a zip, so I will use it as a duvet cover for now. It's only 150. That's 300. That's the only thing I bought in Think Twice, so nothing else. So I wanna take a shower and watch a movie, usipike, then I sleep. So guys, I'm tired. Sijui ni eti mdomo imechoka ama ni aje. Nimekula moshene ya kutosha. Oh guys, I'm tired, so let me take a shower, then do some other things. So till next time, bye bye.